Now, before we get into that, there's something important you need to know. A major change to the pattern day trader rule has just been approved. This does not mean you can start day trading stocks with a small account immediately. There is still an implementation process, and brokerages will update over time. But what it does mean is the barrier to entry is changing, and more people are going to be looking to learn how to trade the right way. So in this video, we're going to build the right foundation from the beginning. One of the biggest misconceptions people have is that you need $25,000 to start trading. That comes from what's known as the pattern day trader rule. And while that has been the standard, it has also stopped a lot of people from even getting started. But the reality is there have always been other ways to participate in the market. Futures, Forex, crypto, just to name a few. And understanding those paths is what gives you flexibility. At its core, trading is learning how to participate in price movement. There are different types of trading: day trading, swing trading, and investing. In this series, we are focused on day trading, short-term decisions based on structure and momentum. This is not long-term investing. This is a skill-based process. Now let's talk about why we focus on futures. Futures give you flexibility, especially with smaller accounts. You can trade contracts that are scaled down, like micro contracts, which makes it easier to manage risk while you're learning. And later in this series, I'll show you how smaller accounts can be managed properly once you understand the process. You'll also hear me mention prop firms. I am not affiliated with any prop firm, but they can be useful tools for learning discipline and gaining access to capital once you prove consistency. To get started, you don't need a complex setup. You need a computer, stable internet, and a charting platform. You can start with one screen, but having two screens can help you monitor more information. Your next step is to choose a platform or a prop firm and get signed up. Follow their instructions, get access, and make sure everything is working properly. Now let's talk about your charts. Keep it simple. Focus on price, volume, and structure. Do not overload your charts. Start with basic tools like volume and moving averages. These help you understand direction and momentum. Right now, your goal is not to make money. Your goal is to learn the process and build discipline. Pause this video, set up your account and your charts. Take your time getting comfortable with it. In the next video, we're going to go deeper into chart setup and how to actually start reading the market. Stay consistent, trust the process, and build from here.